These are all my eye products. Eyes, primers, brows, and eyeliner. And I'm really gonna try to raise Jeannie's arch today. So, that's different.
Even though I'm a makeup artist, I like wear very little
Me
makeup.
too. I think Makeup Forever calls it something different, but I added a silicone mixer to the brow products in the palette so they don't dry out.
Oh,
so anytime a creamy product like in a pot dries out, you can use a spatula to just mix the product together, and that's going to help redistribute the oils and pigments. But if it really dries out, I mean if it's like dry and crack, then you can just use like a silicone based product or maybe even an oil to kind of rehydrate.
My eyebrows are so dark.
I know, but then we're gonna do a dark eye look, so.
Okay.
What? We're not doing natural today?
I know, I'm like, wait, what?
Jordana 12-hour eyeliner, and I'm going to cut Jeannie's lid and just relax your eyes open. So I'm going to actually mark your eyes with your eyes open to see where I want this pseudo crease. Oh, it's really creamy.
You like it?
Yeah. I'm not going to do like a huge cut crease, like just maybe. Oh, this is so creamy. And using this Sigma pencil E30, and I'm going above the line, so I want to leave a little bit of crispness. Sigma blending E25. I'm like choosing all the E's. Right on that crease that I created. Ooh. I love this brush. This Smith Cosmetics 230. It's a petite blending brush, and then I'm just gonna go above. From the Naked 3 palette. I'm gonna go in with micellar water and a Q-tip and just kind of clean up this panda action that I did up here. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with a gel eyeliner. This is by Inglot, and I'm using a Smith Folio Petite Angled brush. It's their 203. Foundation F60, and I'm going to go all the face, just the outside areas of her face. Asians tend to have like flatter features, what I'm doing is highlighting the center part of her forehead, which is going to give her the illusion of a more round forehead, and then I'm going down the bridge of the nose and kind of cleaning up and angling the eyeshadow highlight. So I'm going to take a damp sponge and kind of shear that down a little bit. Senna, contour time! Contouring? It really is not as natural look. We'll see. I definitely think the contour though brings like the cut crease and everything together. So we are not being shy with product today, people.
No, I'm not future American.
I feel like I should bake on you too. Go into my Visette cheek palette, and I'm gonna go for this kind of nudish color right here. My new thing is highlighting above the brow bone instead of in the center of the forehead, because that can look oily. And then that's how I get kind of some luminosity. Sponge, Makeup Forever Super Matte Loose. I'm using the olive on the cheek. We're baking. Pretty white. I'm not gonna let it bake that long.
Ooh, it really shows up on camera.
Okay, so. Yes.
Is that what it
This
was?
is what it needed. Like, I'm going to use powder to kind of clean up the edge of the brow a little bit. It's definitely an experiment, right? So we just finished Jeannie's lashes. I doubled up on some 747 mediums, and we contoured her face more and added eyeliner, and she has such great full lips, and I love this color, so I'm just gonna like line them a little bit and then like just put a little bit of color. And she graciously like did a quick curl on her hair. So I'm using Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in 3C. Jane Iredale Lip Fixation, and I have no idea what color this is, but it's kind of like a corally, and I'm gonna just do a very sheer wash of that on her. Sigma Concealer Brush in F70. Makeup artist hands, people. There we go. So I don't want to do a full nude lip, so I'm gonna try to sheer this out so it just kind of, and I still have pink color on my brush, so. Just have a lot of pink pigment in them. This is the finished look. We did a cut crease on Jeannie. Oh, actually, let me hop in there. So this is the end of our beauty, what do you call this?
Is small compared to mine. Stand here.
Okay, I'll go forward. We're gonna call this what? Like a beauty, what do we call this? It's like a sleepover but without sleeping. Our makeup play date.
Yeah.
And Jeannie did this wonderful, sultry, smoky, kind of lived-in smoky look. And I did a, it was actually looking very drag queeny in the beginning, but it ended up looking very feminine. It's a very dramatic cut crease with bronzy tones. We bronzed up her cheek with NARS Orgasm and bronzer, and then added kind of a pink lip to tie it in with lips. So thank you for joining us and watching, and please support her and follow her. You can find her on Instagram at e2beauty and e2beauty.com, right? All right.
Yep, thank
you. Bye. See you guys next time.